my little star. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Welcome to online video session and I am your science teacher Miss Beauty. So today we are going to do chapter number 3, question answer and hot question answer. Before starting this, I would like to recall our previous work. What we have done in the previous section of video, we already completed the book exercises of chapter number 3 and I hope you all completed your work in your book. That is very important to you that you have to complete your work on time. Okay, so today date is 13 July 2020 and which subject is going on? I hope you all know that which subject is going on. Yes, I am listening that you are saying science. Very good. Now, chapter number, which chapter student? Yes, chapter number 3 and the name of chapter is Adaptation in Animal. So, hurry up, just take out your notebook. Take out your book and open page number 33. Today we are going to do question answer and in which there are 4 question answers in this chapter. After that we will do hot question answer. Okay class, but one thing, I missed that one thing, that before starting session what we'll do? We will do sentence of the day. We will do sentence of the day. So first we will write sentence of the day. After that we will continue this session with question answer. Okay class? And one thing you have to remember that I am also going to provide you the PDF file in which there is already solved question answers of this chapter. So that will help you to do your work in your notebook. And there is one information for you also, that from today, you are going to do all your work in your notebook. You have to complete chapter number 1, 2 and 3. What you have to write? You have to write new words, keywords, question answer, hot question answer in your notebook, and book exercise you will do in your book. Okay, no confusion for that. And one thing, that don't worry for submission of homework. We will make a call you that when you have to submit your notebook to school, and when you are going to submit your notebook in school, I am going to check all the notebook. Okay, so we will make a call to you. So when you have to submit your notebook in school, so don't worry for uploaded your homework or submit your homework on a school app or just send a email. Okay, so don't worry for that. Now we are going to submit your notebook in school. Maybe next week we are going to make a call you. So let's start this session with sentence of the day. So class, this is sentence of the day. When you know better, you do better. Again I am repeating. When you know better, you do better. It's mean when you know the right way of doing something, it means you are going to do your work in perfect manner. So before doing something, you have to learn the things, what to do and how to do. Okay class? So just learn it. When you know better, you do better. Now students, let's start this session with question answer of chapter number 3. And this is your first question. I am going to tell you the question number 1. Classify animals on the basis of their food habits. Again I am repeating. Classify animals on the basis of their food habits. Now your answer is, on the basis of their food habits, animals can be classified as Here your point number 1. How can you classify animal? By their food habits. Now number 1 is herbivorous, and it is very simple. Animal that eat plants. Animals that eat plants. Okay. Now the next second point, carnivorous. And what is that? Animals that eat flesh of other animals. Done? Yeah. Now come the next point, that is third, omnivorous. Animals that eat both plants and animals. Animals that eat both plant and animals. Okay. And this one is the last point of question number 1. That is parasite. And what is parasite? Animal that live inside or on the body of other animals. That is called parasite. So this is question number 1 and answer of question number 1. Okay class? So just write this. Now, come on the question number 2. Question number 2 is, why do animals hibernate? Question number 2 is, why do rabbits hibernate? Why do rabbits hibernate? And your answer is, rabbits hibernate in burrow in cold winter period to protect themselves. Your answer is, rabbits hibernate in burrows in cold weather period to protect themselves. Okay, this is your second question answers. Now come to the third one. List a few animals which live both in water and land. You have to make a list of animals who live in water and land. Very simple, na? A few animals which live in water or on land are frogs, toads, newts and salamanders. Question number 3 is, list a few animals which live both in water and on land. And your answer is, a few animals which live both in water and on land are frog, toads, newts and salamanders. This is your answer of third. Okay class? Shall we come on next? Yes. Now the next question is, why do animals adapt themselves? Why do animals adapt themselves? Animals adapt themselves for their survival. Animals adapt themselves for their survival. Those animals that are not able to adapt to the changes in their surrounding, slowly they die out. This is your question number 4. And here is the answer of 4. Animals adapt themselves for their survival. Those animals that are not able to adapt to the changes in their surrounding slowly die out. So I am giving you 5-minute time for writing. So start writing this question in your notebook. student, now come on the next question, that is a hot question. There is only two questions. There are only two questions in hot question answer, and this you will do in your notebook. So this is a question. How do some animals get merged with their surrounding? Okay, you have to tell some animal that get merged with their surrounding. And your answer is, some animals get merged with their surrounding because of their specific features, such as number A, grasshopper and leaf insect look like a twigs and the leaf of plant. B, chameleon changes its color to match its surrounding. Okay, this is your question number 1. And answer is, again I am repeating, some animals get merged with their surroundings because of their specific features, such as A, grasshopper and leaf insect look like the twig and the leaf of plant. B, chameleon changes its color to match its surrounding. This is your question number 1, and there is your answer. So, shall we come on next question? Your next question is, what are the features which help animal to be a herbivorous? What are the features which help animal to be a herbivorous? This is your second question, and it is a last question of hot question answer. Okay. So student, this is the second question of hot question answer. What are the features which help animal to be herbivorous? And your answer is, herbivores have sharp flat front teeth. Their back teeth are strong and broad. They have long and strong legs to travel long distance from their food. Okay, again I am repeating. What are the features which help animal to be herbivorous? Herbivores have sharp flat front teeth. Their back teeth are strong and broad. They have long and strong legs to travel long distance from their food. And this is your last question answer of hot question. So, now what to do? You have to complete this chapter in your notebook, and if any problem in video, in visuality, if there is any visuality problem, just go through the PDF file. I am also going to provide you a PDF file that will help you to write your notes in your notebook. Okay class, just take care yourself, keep learning. Thank you.